Our main update, yung mga picture nila Maynard Arjo during birthday ni Baby Cali, yung pamangkin ni May. Yung kita naman gano'ng pasit ang mag-asawang May Mendoza at Arjo Ataide sa birthday party ni Baby Cali. Yan pa, cute pa nga nila Maynard Arjo. Yung group picture kasama yung Mendoza family at si Arjo, yung happy family. Ito pa yung aabahan kay Main. And for Vivo B40 Grand Lunch, are you invited to the Vivo B40 Visual Grand Lunch this September 18 and live on Vivo PH official fan page and Facebook page. Together with si May kasama dyan, Ann Curtis, May Mendoza, kasama silang NBA player, sabangan si May. September 18 na yan for Vivo Grand Lunch. Vivo ambassador yan si May. Maraming kinilig dyan sa segment ng Bawal Judgmental Kaba. Marietta and Roderick. Yan sila May, saka Miles. Yun, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update. Ito po ang Charlie Action Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for what?